In a Power BI desktop Power Query project, you have columns labeled Order Date and Shipping Date. You are required to generate a new column that computes the count of full days occurring between these two date values. Which Power Query function is necessary for this calculation? Option A, datetime.localNow. Option B, duration.days. Option C, duration.from. Option D, date.addDays. This task focuses on date arithmetic within the M formula language. When handling date-related data, you often need to derive intervals or spans of time between two distinct points on a calendar. The objective here is to transform the time elapsed between an order date and a shipping date into a measurable unit, specifically a whole number representing the count of days. Understanding how Power Query manages these time intervals is essential for building accurate reporting models. In my view, the correct answer is option B, duration.days. When you subtract one date or date time value from another in Power Query, the resulting value is a duration object, which represents the time span between those 2 points. To convert that duration object into a simple integer that represents the total number of full days, you must use the duration.days function. The other options serve different purposes. Datetime.localNow returns the current system time, which does not help in calculating a difference between existing data points. Duration.from is used to convert a value into a duration type, not to extract specific components from one. Finally, date.addDays is used to shift a date forward or backward by a specific number of days, rather than measuring the gap between two existing dates. As an exam tip, keep in mind that Power Query is quite strict with data types. Always look to identify what the output of a mathematical operation will be before you choose your conversion function. If the intermediate result is a duration, you will almost certainly need a function from the duration library to extract the information you need in a usable integer format.